Okay, listen carefully. A and B together can complete a work in 3 days. They start together, but after 2 days, B left the work. Okay, if the work is completed in 2 more days, if the work is completed in 2 more days, B alone can complete the work in how many days? B alone could do the work in how many days? What is the meaning of here? What is the question meaning here? A and B two persons are there. Okay, they can together can complete the work in 3 days. Both can complete the work in 3 days. But they start the work together. They start the work together. But after 2 days, B left the work. Okay, they start the work together. But after 2 days, B left the work. Then who will be there now? A will be there. A can complete the work in 2 more days. It takes 2 more days. They can complete the work to complete the total work. What is the remaining work is there? That takes 2 more days. Okay. B alone can complete the work in how many days? B alone can complete the work in how many days? First, we'll discuss this question. I will discuss in 2 methods. Okay. First method and second method. I will explain both methods. Then I will give the next question. Next question you can do it. Yeah, listen carefully. A and B can complete the work in 3 days means 1 day work of A plus B is equal to 1/3. They worked for how many days? 2 days. 2 into 1/3 means A plus B complete 2 in 2 days. 2/3 third part of work will be completed. 2/3 part of the work is completed. Means here 2/3 part of the work is completed means remaining how much part will be there? 1 minus 2/3 means 1/3 part of work is there. Okay, here 2/3 part of work is completed by A plus B means what is the remaining work is there? 1/3. 1 minus 2/3. Remaining part will be 1/3. That 1/3 will be completed by A in how many days? 2 days. That 1/3 part of work is completed by A in how many days? 2 days. Then 1/3 part of work is completed by A in 2 days means the total work will be completed by A in how many days? 6 days. Ante kada? 3 2 is 6. Then 1/3 part of work is completed by in 2 days means total work will be completed by A in 6 days. Then A plus B can complete the work in 3 days and A alone can complete the work in 6 days. Then B alone can complete the work in how many days? Then what is the shortcut is there? X into Y by mod of X minus Y. X into Y by mod of X minus Y means 6 into 3 by mod of 6 minus 3. Okay, what is the answer? 6 days. Then this is one method. This is one method. Then another method is there. What is the another method is? Here, if you take the total work of A plus B can complete in 3 days. You must be here while going to this method, I will explain what is the process of this method. Here, A plus B can complete one fraction of work, some fraction of work. The remaining fraction of work will be completed by A. If we add the total fractions, both fractions, that is equal to 1. Total part is equal to 1. There are two fractions are there. If you complete the total two fractions, if you add the total two fractions, it will become 1. Then here, A plus B total work will be completed in how many days? 3 days. You must be placed in the denominator. And what is the work done by A plus B is, you must be placed in the numerator. Means 2/3 plus A can complete the work in how many days? I don't know. That's why I will place directly A in the denominator. And A complete the work for how many days? A can work for how many days? After B left, A remaining work will be completed by A in how many days? 2 days. I will place 2 on the numerator. Means 2/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 1. Then 2 by A is equal to 1/3. Then A is equal to 6 days. Then A can complete the work in 6 days. A plus B can complete the work in 3 days. Then you can use the formula X into Y by mod of X minus Y. You will get the answer as a 6 days. You can use the first method or you can use the second method. Which method is easy for you? You can use any one of the methods. Okay. Now, any doubts are there in these two methods? Once observe these methods, I will give 1 minute of time. Here I will show this one. For 1 minute of time, I will give once observe here. And by seeing without pen also, you can answer this question. Out of P and Q can complete the work in 30 days means they work for 10 days means here 10 by 30, then 1/3 part of work is completed. The remaining is 2/3 part is there. The 2/3 part work is completed by P alone in 20 days. P alone can complete the work in how many days? Then answer is 30 days. Okay. is the method. Just I change the number, that's all. The remaining process is same as is the previous question. This question is same. Only 3 members answer the question. What about the remaining? I don't know. Out of 23, 3 members answer that. What about the remaining candidates? There are 60 candidates will be there. What about the remaining? 23 members only is there. They went to any drive, otherwise, what is the problem? Anyone please respond. Why 23 members are there? What about the remaining candidates? Anybody knows the reason why this many members only present in the class? Any reason is there? Is my voice is clear? Don't know, sir. Okay. Okay. Then let's go for the next question. Okay. Try to answer this question. Everyone try to answer this question. ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు నా గురించి అయితే చేయొద్దు, మీ గురించి మీరు చేసుకోండి. Okay. Try to answer this question. The same model. Just small change is there. Okay, you can use the second method. By using the second method, you can answer this question easily. Okay, try to answer it. I will explain this question, but try to answer it. I will give the time for 1 or 2 minutes, and then I will explain it. Try to answer it. Yeah. Anybody got the answer? Otherwise, I want to explain it. Okay. Anybody got the answer? Ajay can do a piece of work in 25 days, and Sanjay can finish it in 20 days. They work together for 5 days, and the Ajay goes away. In how many days will Ajay finish the remaining work? Okay, I will explain it. Listen here. Here 2 persons are there. Ajay can complete the work in 25 days. Means Ajay can complete some part of fraction work, some part of work will be completed by Ajay, another part of work will be completed by Sanjay. If you add both, then the total work will be 1. Okay, I am taking like that. Then here, total work will be done by Ajay is 25 days. Must be placed in the denominator. Okay, then they work for how many days? 5 days. They work for 5 days. I place in the numerator. Same like that, coming to the Sanjay. Sanjay worked for 5 days. Ajay and Sanjay both worked for 5 days, but after Ajay goes away, after that the remaining will be completed by Sanjay itself. That's why I will place that 5 plus x. Okay, in the numerator I place the 5 plus x. Coming to the denominator, I already told that total work done by the Sanjay is 20 days. That's why I place in the denominator. The total work will be done by the Ajay is 25 days and Sanjay is 20 days. That values must be placed in the denominator. Coming to the numerator, what is the work done by the Ajay and what is the work done by the Sanjay must be placed in the numerator is equal to 1. Then if you solve that equation, then you will get as a x is equal to 11 days. Okay, 1 by 5 plus x by 20 is equal to 1. 5 plus x by 20 is equal to 4 by 5. Then 5 plus x is equal to 16. Then x is equal to 11 days. X is equal to 11 days. Okay, then Nobody got the answer. Nobody got the answer. Why? Very good. Very good. 20 is the right answer. Okay. There are two persons are there, A and B. A can complete the total work in 60 days. B can complete the total work in 75 days. Okay, you must place in the denominator. And coming to the numerator, both worked for some day. I don't know that days, X days, X. A worked for X days and B worked for X plus some 30 days. Okay. Then X by 60 plus X plus 30 by 75 is equal to 1. Then if you solve this equation, then you get as X is equal to 20 days. X is equal to 20 days. Okay. This is the men. If there are two persons are there, if the men are leaving, then how to answer this question? You can answer by using this method. Then if they given three persons, then how to answer this question? Okay. But this type of questions, I think so, maximum this type of questions is not asked the examination, like HCL examination. Why? Because this is a random method question. Okay. But some like some other competitive examinations, TCS, like that, they will ask the question. Okay. For example, if they ask the questions in the HCL also, you must do it. Okay. It takes 3 to 4 minutes, minimum 2 or 3 minutes. If you are if calculations are fast, then you can answer the question within the 1 minute. But if you are weak in the calculations, it takes 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, 2 to 3 models will be combined and they given the question. Try to answer it. Chuddam. If anybody can do this question, try to. I will give the time, 2 minutes of time. Anybody got the answer? Otherwise, I want to explain. Okay. Anybody got the answer? Okay. I will explain it. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Okay. Here, first of all, by using the given data, you must be find the question. You must be find that Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay. First, you must be find it Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay. Okay. Ajay plus Sunil complete the work in 10 days. Sunil plus Ajay can complete the work in 15 days. And Ajay plus Sanjay can complete the work in 20 days. By using this, you can find the answer for Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay can complete the work in how many days. Ella find by using the LCM method. Otherwise, 1 plus 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20, you can find like that also. Okay, I will go by the LCM method. Total, what is the LCM of 10, 15, 20? 60 is the LCM. Okay, per day, A can complete 6 units of work. Per day, B can complete 4 units of work. Per day, C can complete 20 units, 3 units of work. Okay, total units of work will be completed by, if you add Ajay plus Sunil plus Sunil plus Ajay plus Sunil means will be 2 Ajay plus 2 Sunil plus 2 Sanjay. If we take the 2 Ajay common, Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay, 2 Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay can complete the work in 60 by 13 days. 60 units by 13 units means 60 by 13 days. Okay. Then here Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay can complete the work in how many days means 120 by 13. So many members are doing the mistake here. Here once the persons are decreasing, the days will be increases. The days will be decreases అనుకుంటారు చాలా మంది 60 by 26 రాస్తారు. That is the wrong answer. Why? Because if the days persons are decreases, అక్కడ 6 persons ఉన్నారు, 2 అజయ్ 2 సునీల్ 2 సంజయ్ ఉంటే అది కమింగ్ టు అజయ్ ప్లస్ సునీల్ ప్లస్ సంజయ్ 3 అయ్యేటప్పుడు then the days will be increases to how much? 60 by 13 is increases to 120 by 13. 120 by 13. Okay. Now then here 120 by 13 you can write that as a, in the denominator you must place that Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay can complete the work in how many days? 120 by 13. 13 will be goes to the numerator. 13 by 120 into 6 days. They work for 6 days plus 4 by 15. Why? Because Sanjay plus Sunil can complete the work in how many days? 15 days. And they work for only 4 days. I place the 4 in the numerator plus. And here coming to the Sanjay. Sanjay alone can complete the work in how many days means మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు Ajay plus Sunil plus Sanjay minus Ajay plus Sunil subtract చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ ద ఓన్లీ Sanjay's work, Sanjay's days. అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, నేను రాయలేదు యాక్చువల్ గా ఐ డిడ్ంట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ పార్ట్ హియర్. ఓకే, ఐ మస్ట్ బి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్. మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసుకోండి x into y by mod of x minus y. అలా ఫైండ్ చేస్తే సంజయ్ alone can complete the work in how many days? 120 days. Okay, 120 days and they work for how many days I don't know. Let's take x. Okay, if you place like that, if you solve that equation, then 13 by 20 plus 4 by 15 plus x by 120. If you solve this equation like this, then if you get the answer as a x is equal to 10 days. Answer as a x is equal to 10 days. If you solve the total equation, then you will get the answer as x is equal to 10 days. Okay. Then once again after the class, once again revise the total, place the total page, once refer it, read the question and refer the solution. If you have any doubts again, then you can ask me. Okay. So here three points will be there. One is that must be find the Ajay, Sunil and Sanjay. These 3% days you must be find it. Okay. Then after that Sanjay alone can complete the work in how many days, that you must be find it. Then after that Sanjay after Sunil leaves, Sanjay alone can complete the work in how many days. And the remaining work of after leaving the Sunil, remaining work will be completed by Sanjay in how many days. You must be fine. Here 3 points will be there. It is the lengthiest question. I gave the shortcut, but it is the lengthiest one. Okay. Then the Sanjay, the last remaining work will be completed by Sanjay in 10 days after Sunil left. Okay. This is the another pattern of question. This is the another pattern of question. I explained this one also in the previous June or July one class is over. In that type of at the time also I had model. This is also important model. Listen carefully. 16 men plus 15 children can complete the work in 20 days. 14 men plus 11 children can complete the work in 26 days. Then 5 men plus 7 children can complete the work in how many days? This is the question they ask. Okay. Then take the first equation. Take the first point. Okay. Here 16 men plus 15 children can complete the work in 20 days means 16 men plus 15 children can complete the 1 day work of 16 men plus 15 children is equal to 1 by 20. If you 20 send to the other side and multiplied it, 20 into 16, 330 men plus 320 men plus 300 children can complete the work in 1 day. Complete the work in 1 day. Coming to the second equation, must take the second equation. 14 men plus 11 children can complete the work per 1 day is 1 by 26. Then if we send the 26 this side, 26 into 14, 364 men plus 26 into 11, 286 children can complete the work in 1 day. Both are converted into 1 day. Then you can equate the first equation and second equation. Then if you equate that, you get the relation between men and child. You will get the relation between men and child. 44 men is equal to 16 children. 1 man is equal to 4 by 11 children. 4 by 11 children. To get the relation between men and child. Then after that, first take the first equation. Take the first equation, that is that 16 men plus 15 children is equal to 20 days, and substitute that the relation between men and child. Okay, convert that equation into convert that first equation in the either men or children. You must be convert that equation in the either men and children. I will convert the total one into men. Sorry, children. That is that 14 men plus 11 children, you can complete the work in 26 days. In the place of men, I can write that 4 by 11 children. Okay, 14 into 4 by 11 children plus 11 children. Then 56 by 11 children is equal plus 11 children. If you solve that equation, 177 by 11 children can complete the work in 26 days. That is the first equation. You get the like that. Then another one, 5 men plus 7 children can complete the work in how many days means, first of all, convert that one into children. 5 into 4 by 11 children plus 7 children is equal to 20 by 11 children plus 7 children. Then if we solve it, that 97 by 7 children can complete the work in how many days. Then you can use the formula M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. M1 is that children's 175 by 11 into D2 is that D1 is that 26 is equal to M2 is that 97. You must find it. Must play. I don't know the D2. You can place the D2 directly. Now M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. If we cancel that one, then we will get as a 177 into 26 by 97. If we solve that, we will get the answer as a how many days they can complete. You will get the answer. But this is the lengthiest values. Okay, this is not a question. Just for example sake, what is the method how to solve this one? I will give you that. But in the examination, they will give the question in simple methods. Okay, simple numbers. Okay, the method is the same, but the numbers will be simple. The numbers will be simple. Now, try to solve this question. Verify the previous one and try to answer this question. Once again, I will show this one. Of course, only one step by step. I will show you. First ఏం చేస్తారు, ఫస్ట్ 1 day work లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తారు. Then it will be convert into 1 day. Both equations you must be convert for 1 day. Then afterward you must be equate the both equations. Then you must be get the relation between men and child. After that you must be convert that equations in the either men or children. Then by using the M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2 formula, you can answer the question. Okay, now solve it. చూద్దాం ఎంతమంది సార్. Previous question for the numbers పెద్ద ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి takes time, but this is the numbers is single digit numbers, all of single digit numbers except 10. You can answer within the 1 minute itself. Easily you can answer this question. Try to answer. Nobody get the answer. ఎవరికి ఆన్సర్ రాలేదా? What is the answer? 12.5 days. 12.5. Only 1% gave the answer. ఏమవుతుంది అసలు వింటున్నారా? కాకపోతే అర్థం కావట్లేదా? ఫాస్ట్ అయిపోతుందా? ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్ ఏదైనా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేశారా అసలు? 121/3. 12/1/3. సారీ, 12/1/3. ఓకే, 12/1/3. చూడండి, I will show the solution again. Yeah. 2 men plus 3 boys can complete the work in 10 days. 3 men plus 2 boys can complete the work in 8 days. Then 2 men plus 1 boy can complete the work in how many days? This is the question. Take the first equation and solve it. Convert into 1 day work. Convert into 1 day. They can complete the work in 1 day. Okay. Here 2 men plus 3 boys can complete per 1 day work is 1/10. To send the 10 into other side. 20 men plus 30 boys can complete the work in 1 day. Same like that, we must convert the second equation, first and second equation. Then 20 men plus 30 boys is equal to 24 men plus 16 boys. Sorry for the disturbance, I got a call. Okay, 2 men is equal to 7 boys. Now substitute that men in the convert that equations in the total, either boys or men. Your wish, that is your wish. Okay, I want to convert the total into boys. Okay, 2 men plus 1 boy, that is the question given here. 2 men means you can write as 7 boys. 7 boys plus 1 boy, 8 boys can complete the work in how many days? Let's take first equation. Convert in the total boys. 2 men plus 3 boys can complete the work in 10 days. 7 boys plus 3 boys can complete the work in 10 days. Why? Because 2 men is equal to 7 boys. Then 10 boys can complete the work in 10 days means maximum people change చేస్తారంటే 8 boys can complete the work in 8 days and రాసేస్తారు maximum. But that is the wrong answer. Don't do like that. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. 10 into 10 is equal to 8 into D2. Then answer is 12.5 days. The answer is 12.5 days. 8 days మాత్రం రాయొచ్చు. That is the wrong answer. Now, this is the same model, but here you can't take the relation between men and boys. Men and boys relation ain't confused. Why? Because here, if 8 men are 12 boys, they given. R means that is the meaning is equal to. Okay, 8 men are 12 boys. 8 men is equal to 16 days. And 8 men can complete the work in 16 days, and 12 boys can complete the work in 16 days. The number of days required to complete the work by 20 men plus 6 and 20 men and 6 boys can complete the work in how many days? Find the answer. So the how many members can do this one? Try to answer this one. Here Coming to this question, here already they given the relation between men and boys. You can answer this question easily. Try to answer it. Nobody got the answer? What is the answer? Let me save the answer. Remaining is the right answer. Is it right or wrong? Find it once. Okay. So observe here. 8 men is equal to 12 boys. Can complete the work in 16 days. First convert that 8 men is equal to 12 boys. Then men is equal to 3 by 2 boys. Okay. Of men is equal to 3 by 2 boys. Okay. Now, in the place of men, you can write the 3 by 2 boys. Then 20 into 3 by 2 boys is equal to 6 boys. Then 30 boys plus 6 by 36 boys can complete the work in how many days? You must find it. Okay. Already you know that 12 boys can complete the work in 16 days means that is the M1 D1 and M2 D2 is M1 is 36 boys, M2 D2 you must find it. Then 12 into 16 is equal to 36 into D2, then D2 is equal to 5 1 by 3 days. D2 is equal to 5 1 by 3 days. That is the right answer. Try to answer it. Okay. Okay. Now answer these questions. So the same model. I gave the same model, just I change the values. Try to answer. But here I gave three values, the 3 members. Okay, I gave the relation between 3 members. Convert the 3 into one number, either men or women or children. అందులో ఒక దాంట్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసి try చేయండి ఆన్సర్. If 10 men or 20 women or 40 children can do a piece of work in 7 months, then 5 men and 5 women and 5 children together can complete the work in how many days? Fine. So the answer is that. Right. Anybody got the answer? నేను అడిగే వరకు ఆన్సర్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు కొందరు. If you get the answer, place it. If you get the answer, place it. Okay. Only one question. Maximum one member, maximum 1 or 2 members. ఇంత వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? వస్తుందో రావట్లేదో తెలియట్లేదు. Okay. I will show the solution. Listen here. 20 men plus 20 women plus 40 children can complete the work in 7 months. Okay. 5 men plus 5 women plus 5 children can complete the work in how many days? First of all, convert that one into one relation. ఏదో ఒక దాంట్లో అంటే either men or women or it. I will convert into women. Total I want to convert into women. 10 men can complete the work in 20. 10 men is equal to 20 women. 1 man is equal to 20 by 10 women. Then 1 man is equal to women. That is that. 40 children is equal to 20 women. Then you can solve it. Then children is equal to 1 by 2 women. I will place this one in the equation. So the 5 men is equal to 10 women. Why? Because 1 man is equal to 2 women. 5 men is equal to 10 women. 5 women as is I place it. Coming to the 5 children, one in the place of children you can place it 1 by 2 women. 5 by 2 women. Then 15 women plus 2.5 women. Then 35 by 2 women. Then here if we solve this equation, 20 women can complete the work in 7 months. Then 35 by 2 women can complete the work in how many days? M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Then answer is 8 months. The answer is 8 months. Okay. Then Coming some questions recently, some questions asked based on the arithmetic progression. Okay, by using the arithmetic progression. I already told that arithmetic progression based on the sum of the numbers formula is that n by 2 into Ca plus n minus 1 into d. Arithmetic progression, the sum of the n values is equal to, what is the formula? Sum of the n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now n is equal to number of terms, a is equal to first term, d is equal to common difference as difference between any two terms. Okay, now one man start a project on the first day. Okay, one man start a project on first day. One man join on each day starting from the second day. Okay, then the project will be completed exactly in 20 days. The project will be completed exactly in 20 days. Instead, if a team of 7 men works regularly, the work will be completed exactly in 10 days. What is A? Okay, then we will go for the question. Same అర్థమైంది ఇక్కడ ఒక మెన్ ఫస్ట్ డే స్టార్ట్ చేసేది ఎవ్రీ సెకండ్ డే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఎవ్రీ డే ది వన్ మెన్ విల్ బి added then the work will be completed in 20 days. Then some men will be there. What are the total men complete the work? అంటే ఎంత men complete work చేశారు, టోటల్ men ఎంత అనేది కనుక్కోవడానికి ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాం, 1 ప్లస్ సెకండ్ 4 men అలాగా అలా తీసుకుంటే 20 days 20 men యాడ్ అయ్యారు. అయితే 1 ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ 3 ప్లస్ 4 ప్లస్ సో ఆన్ 20 days యాడ్ చేస్తే సమ్ చేస్తే you will get the value as a by using the n of the number sum of the n number formula by using arithmetic progression n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, formula use చేసుకుంటే 20 by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into d 10 into 210 members ఉన్నారు. టోటల్ గా ఎంత మంది ఉన్నారు, 210 members. 210 members ఎన్ని డేస్ లో చేశారు, the work completed in how many days? Okay, instead of 210 they every day 7 instead of 7 తీసుకున్నాను. 210 ఉన్నారు అక్కడ 20 days లో కంప్లీట్ చేసి, బట్ టోటల్ మెన్స్ అంతా 210 మెన్స్ అయితే ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 210 ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఎవ్రీడే 7 మెన్స్ అయితే ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 210 7 అయితే ఏమవుతుంది, 210 by 7 రాసుకుంటే ఎన్ని డేస్ లో కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది, 30 days అవుతుంది. 30 days టోటల్ మెన్స్ 210 బట్ ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 210 ఎవ్రీడే ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు 7 అన్నాడు. 7 అంటే 210 by 7 అయితే టోటల్ ఎన్ని డేస్ తీసుకుంటారు కంప్లీట్ వర్క్ అవడానికి, 30 days. ఓకే, 210 members 20 days కంప్లీట్ చేస్తున్నారు, బట్ 210 మెంబర్స్ అక్కడ అనలేదు. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 210 ఎవ్రీడే 1 2 అలా యాడ్ అవ్వదు, బదులు 7 ఈచ్ అన్నారు. కాబట్టి రెగ్యులర్లీ 7 చేస్తే ఎంత అవుతుందంటే 210 by 7 30 days కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. నౌ సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ సేమ్ మోడల్, ట్రై టు ఆన్సర్. చూద్దాం ఎంతమంది ట్రై చేస్తారు. హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్ కెన్ డూ? I will give 2 minutes of time for this question. Okay, a person can complete a job in 120 days, worked alone on day 1. On day 2, he is joined by another person. On day 3, he is joined by another person. Like this, every day new person with same efficiency join the work. How many days will be required? How many days are required to complete the job? Okay, try to answer. To them, how many minutes it takes? 2 minutes I will give. Within 2 minutes, try to answer this question. Very good, very good, very good. One person gave the answer. Very good, very good. బట్ అందరూ ట్రై చేయండి, ఒకళ్ళు ఇద్దరు కాకుండా అందరూ ట్రై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను. ఒకళ్ళు ఇద్దరికి వస్తే అది ఆల్రెడీ ఒకళ్ళు ఇద్దరి గురించి చెప్పట్లేదు. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 20-32 మెంబర్స్ ఓన్లీ 5 to 10 మెంబర్స్ మ్యాక్సిమం రెస్పాండ్ అవుతున్నారు. మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారో తెలియదు. నా గురించి అయితే నేర్చుకో, దిస్ ఇస్ ద గోల్డెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. హెచ్సిఎల్ అనేది మనకి గోల్డెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ, మిస్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఓకే, చూడండి లిసన్ చేయండి. First day 1, second day 2, third day 3, like that, and days complete చేస్తారు. Okay, how many months are there here? By using the question, how many days? 120 days అన్నాడు, n members to n members. అంటే సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫైండ్ ద n. ఓకే, n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టోటల్ 120 డేస్ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి ఎన్ని డేస్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తారు n వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలంటే n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఐ డోంట్ నో, లెట్స్ టేక్ టోటల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 120. Then you can find that n by 2 into 2 plus 2a అంటే 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d. Then n into n plus 1 is equal to 40. Then while don't go by the quadratic equation, try to substitute the value. Options బట్టి వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటే n వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుందో 15 into 15 plus 1 16, 15 into 16 240. రాలేదంటే 14 ఇస్తే 14 into 315. అదర్వైజ్ 13 into ఆప్షన్స్ బట్టి ఆప్షన్ ఒక నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేసి మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఆ నెంబర్కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందా లేదు. దెన్ అది దట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ మెథడ్. అదర్వైజ్ క్వాడ్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ వెళ్తానంటే క్వాడ్రిక్ ఈక్వేషన్లో కూడా మీకు చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ విష్. ఓకే, దెన్ alternate work. So many times I explain this one. Alternate work నేను ఎన్నోసార్లు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. once again I will explain this one clearly. Okay, listen carefully. A and B work separately, can do a work in 9 days and 12 days respectively. A start the work and they work on alternate days. Okay, in how many days will the work be completed? This is the question. Okay, A can complete the work in 9 days, B can complete the work in 12 days. Okay, A plus B can complete the work. First of all, take the total work, you must be assume that 36. అలాగే assume చేసుకుంటాము 36 units అని ఆల్రెడీ నేను చెప్పాను. Take the LCM of first, what are the numbers they given? 9 and 12. Take the LCM. What is the LCM you got? That is the 36. You must be assume that 36 is the total units of work. In that 36, A can complete per day 4 units, B can complete per day 3 units. A start first. A first day start అయ్యింది. A ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తున్నాడు 4 units. B ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తున్నాడు సెకండ్ డే 3 units. ఫస్ట్ డే A 4 units, సెకండ్ డే B 3 units. అంటే A ప్లస్ B per 2 days ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతున్నాయి 7 units. అంతేనా? అంటే ఫస్ట్ డే A 4 units కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే సెకండ్ డే B 3 units. Like that 2 days కి 7 units కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే per 2 days they can complete that 7 units of work. Like that if you go on for up to 10 days. Okay, A first day 4 units, second day B 3 units, so on it goes. 2 into 5, 10 days they can complete how many units of work? 7 5 is 35. For 10 days they can complete the 35 units. If you have any doubt, you can take the total units of work and divided by the 7. What is the quotient you got? With that quotient multiplied both sides. 7 5 is 36, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42. It will go more than 5. That's why I will take the 5 as a quotient. Okay, 2 5 is the 10 and 7 5 is the 35. Multiplied with the 5 both sides into 2 and into 7. Okay, 10 days, how many units can complete? 35 units. How many units are left over? 1 unit. 36 minus 35, 1 unit left. That will be done by A. Okay, one per day A can complete 4 units, but 1 unit is there. 1 unit per in 1 unit complete అవ్వాలంటే 1 if you want to complete 1 unit by A, ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది అంటే 1/4th day. అంటే otherwise how many units are left over, you must be placed in the numerator. How many units can complete per day, you must be placed in the denominator. That is the fraction which will form, that is 1/4. Total 10 days and 1/4 days. Okay, 10 1/4 days it takes to complete the 36 units of work in 10 and 1/4 days. A and B can complete in alternate days. Okay, now try to answer this question. చూద్దాం ఎంతమంది ట్రై చేస్తారు. Try to answer this question. I don't want to explain this one. Why? Because this is already same question, just I change the numbers. Must be answer that question. Try to answer. చూద్దాం ఎంతమంది చేస్తారు. What is the answer you got? What is the answer? Nobody get the answer. What is the answer? 3. Try చేయండి ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి. If you take 5 and 7, what is the LCM you got? 35. Okay. చూడండి ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి. I will show the solution, I will explain it, but try it once. ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఒకసారి చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్కి ఈ క్వశ్చన్కి ఒకసారి చూడండి మెథడ్. Nobody got the answer? Anybody got the answer? Okay. I will repeat, I will explain the question here. I will explain here. Once again, I will repeat here. First of all, what are the values? A can complete the work in 9 days, B can complete the work in 12 days. Take the LCM of first the two numbers. What is the LCM you got? 36. What is the LCM you got? 36. That 36 must be assumed as the total units of work. ఆ 36 ని మనం ఏమనుకోవాలంటే టోటల్ యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కంప్లీట్. ఓకే, పర్ డే ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చాడు, ఏ ఫస్ట్ డే అండ్ బి సెకండ్ డే ఆల్టర్నేట్లీ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ద వర్క్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూస్తే పర్ డే టోటల్ యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ విల్ బి కంప్లీటెడ్ బై ఏ ఇన్ 9 days. పర్ డే ఎంత కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది? 36/9 అంటే 4 యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్. ఇచ్చాను చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ డే వాటర్ అనేది ఫిల్ అయ్యేది అదే కింద నుండి పైగా ఫిల్ అవుతుంది ఏదని అనుకున్నా. ఫస్ట్ డే 4 యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసింది ఏ అనుకున్నాం. సెకండ్ డే 3 యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసింది బి అనుకున్నాం. మళ్ళీ థర్డ్ డే 4 యూనిట్స్ ఏ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే ఫోర్త్ డే మళ్ళీ బి అనేది 3 యూనిట్స్. అలా సో ఆన్ ఇట్ గో ఆన్ 10 days వరకు ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ అవుతున్నాయి? 35 యూనిట్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరి ఛాన్స్? ఏ ఛాన్స్. ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అనేసరికి ఏ ఛాన్స్ కాబట్టి ఏ ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ ఇంక లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వో 1 యూనిట్ ఈజ్ లెఫ్ట్ అవ్వో. ఓకే, పర్ డే ఏ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ 4 యూనిట్స్, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1 యూనిట్. అంటే ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంటుంది? 1/4. 10 days కంప్లీట్ చేశారు. ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ 1 యూనిట్ కి 1/4 days. అంటే టోటల్ 10 + 1 1/4 10/4 days లో కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. అంతేనే కదా. ఏ పర్ డే 2 యూనిట్స్ అయితే పర్ డే ఏ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ 4 యూనిట్స్ అయితే బి 3 యూనిట్స్ అయితే టోటల్ 2 days 7 యూనిట్స్ అయితే 10 days ఎంత అవుతుంది? 35 యూనిట్స్. లైక్ దట్ ఇయర్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ వన్, కమింగ్ టు ఇయర్ ఏ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ పర్ డే 5 యూనిట్స్, బి కెన్ కంప్లీట్ పర్ డే 7 యూనిట్స్. అంటే ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి టోటల్ యూనిట్స్ ఎస్యూమ్ చేసుకుంటే టేక్ ది ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ 5 and 7, టోటల్ 35 యూనిట్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఐ విల్ టేక్ as assume as the LCM is 35, total units of work is 35. Per day A can complete 7 units of work, per day B can complete 5 units of work. Why? Because 5 7 is 35, 7 5 is 35. Okay, now A plus B for 2 days they can complete 12 units. Why? Because 7 plus 5 12 units. Okay, then 2 days can units complete అవుతున్నాయి. Per day 2 days 12 units అయితే like that 2 2 is 4. 4 days can units complete అవుతున్నాయి 24 units. 4 days కి 24 యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరికి ఛాన్స్ వస్తుంది? ఫస్ట్ డే, సెకండ్ డే, థర్డ్ డే, ఫోర్త్ డే, ఫిఫ్త్ డేకి వచ్చే ఎవరి ఛాన్స్ వస్తుంది? ఏ ఛాన్స్. ఏ ఛాన్స్ పర్ డేకి ఎన్ని యూనిట్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తుంది? 7 యూనిట్స్. అంటే ఫిఫ్త్ డే ఏ కెన్ కంప్లీట్ 10 యూనిట్స్, 7 యూనిట్స్. టోటల్ 4 + 5 4 + 1 5 days కి 24 + 7 31 యూనిట్స్ విల్ బి కంప్లీటెడ్. 5 days కి 31 యూనిట్స్ విల్ బి కంప్లీటెడ్. 35 - 31 4 units are left over. That 4 units will be each and B can complete in how many days means per day B can complete 5 units but 4 units left over, then you can write as a 5 4 by 5 days. 5 4 5 5 days. 4 by 5 days. Here somebody gave the answer 5 5 is 25, 4 by 5, 29 by 5 is the right answer, but 5 4 by 5 days is the right answer. ఇంకా అర్థం కాలేదా? అర్థమైందా? Any doubts are there? Now the same model, let's go for the same model. అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంకోటి ఇచ్చాను ఇక్కడ. Okay. First of all, I want to complete the 25 26 after completion of the last two questions. Our last two questions అయ్యాక మళ్ళీ అక్కడికి వస్తాను. 25th page చేసే ముందు let's go for the ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ట్రై చేస్తాను. ఇప్పుడే నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను కదా, ట్రై టు ఆన్సర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇక్కడ పైప్స్ అన్నా ఏ కంప్లీట్ వర్క్ అన్నా ఏదైనా సేమ్. Two pipes A and B can complete the tank in 6 hours and 4 hours respectively. If they open on alternate hours, and if pipe A is open first, in how many hours tank is full? Try చేయండి. సేమ్ మెథడ్ చూద్దాం ఎంతమంది చేస్తారు. జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది కదా ఎలా చేయాలనేది ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి. చూద్దాం ఎంతమంది ట్రై చేస్తారు. సేమ్ మెథడ్. ఫాస్ట్ గా చేయాలి. I'll give 2 minutes of time. Try to answer. Persons gave the right answer. What about the remaining? ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు వేస్తున్నారు, మిగతా వాళ్ళు ఏమవుతుందో తెలియట్లేదు. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. సేమ్ of 6 and 4, that is the 12. Okay, 6 2 is the 12 and 4 3 is the 12. First day A can complete 2 units, second day B can complete 3 units, so on like that. 2 hours, sorry, first hour, second hour, 2 hours, 2 is the 4 hours, 12 units of work will be completed. Next day A will be get, A can complete 1 hour 2 units, total 12 units will be completed by A plus B, A and B alternately in 5 hours. Okay, try to answer this question. Observe the question carefully. And answer. Okay, try to answer this question. Anybody got the answer? Anybody got the answer? But here, compare with the previous question, A start the work, but here I am giving that B start open the work first step. Okay, here B is starting to fill the tank. If you observe here, the answer is 4.5 days is the right answer. 4.5 days is the right answer. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 4 hours and 5 hours respectively. If they open on alternate hours, and if pipe B is opened first, in how many hours tank is full? Okay, A can fill the tank in 4 hours, B can fill the tank in 5 hours. But ఇక్కడ మనం స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఎవరు B, అది కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెడితే సరిపోతుంది. 4.5 is the right answer. Total units, if you take the LCM of 4 and 5, 20. A can complete per day 5 units, B can complete per day 4 units. Then 2 hours, it takes 9 units. 2 hours, 10 units complete just 9 units. Then 2 is 4 hours, 4 hours 18 units. Then the remaining how many units are left over? 20 minus 18, 2 units. That is that 4, 2 by 4, 4.5 hours. Very good. Okay. Then I will give the last one. Last 25th page I didn't explain. 25th and 26th I will explain it, and I will complete this topic. Then I will give the assignment. Okay. Yeah, pipes and systems. This is also important. Based on this one also, sometimes they will ask the question. Listen carefully. Filling means must be taken as a plus. Empty means must be taken as a minus. Okay, we must be subtracted. Okay, two pipes M and N can fill a tank in 22 hours and 33 hours respectively. In how many? Sorry, in how much time will the tank be full if both the pipes are opened simultaneously? Okay, two pipes M and N are there. They can fill the tank for 22 hours and 33 hours respectively. In how much time will the tank will be filled if the both pipes are open? Open and such one. I'll give the shortcut here. Both pipes filling chastity ankondi. Then you must be use the formula x into y by mod of x plus y. Okay. One pipe is filling, one pipe is empty. Then must be use that x into mod of x minus y. Both pipes are empty ankondi. At that time must be use that x into y by mod of x plus y. Ante ikkada chudandi, if you observe here, రెండు ఫిల్ చేసినా రెండు ఎంటీ చేసినా యూ మస్ట్ బి యూజ్ ద ఫార్ములా x into y by mod of x minus x plus y. బట్ ఒక పైప్ ఫిల్ చేస్తున్నా ఒక పైప్ ఎంటీ చేస్తుందంటే అట్ ద టైమ్ యూ మస్ట్ బి యూజ్ ద ఫార్ములా x into y by mod of x minus y. Okay, you must be remember these formulas. If you remember these formulas, automatically you can answer the question easily. Okay, then listen carefully here. M can complete the filling the tank in 22 hours, N can fill the tank in 33 hours. If you observe here, you can use two methods. One is that M can complete per 1 hour 1 by 22 part of tank will be filled. N can fill per 1 hour 1 by 33 of the tank will be filled. Like that you can answer that 1 by 22 plus 1 by 33. Like that you can use it. Otherwise directly you can go by the shortcut. That is that both are filling x into y by mod of x plus y. At 22 into 33 by 55. If we solve it, then answer is, what is the answer will be get 13 1 by 5 hours it takes. Okay. Now try to answer this question. Ikkada chudandi, 3 pipes are there. Pipe P can fill a tank in 38 hours. Pipe Q alone can fill a tank in 19 hours. Pipe R can empty the full tank in 133 hours. అక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే 2 pipes are filling, 1 pipe is empty. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది, per 1 hour pipe P can finish the 1 by 38 part, Q alone can finish 1 by 19 part. అంటే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది అక్కడ, బోత్ ఆర్ ఫిల్లింగ్. బట్ ఎంటీ అనేసరికి ఆర్ కెన్ ఎంటీ మైనస్ ఆర్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి అక్కడ 1 by 130 మైనస్ 1 by 133. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి మస్ట్ బి అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ P ప్లస్ Q మైనస్ ఆర్. మైనస్ ఆర్ ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాను, ద ఆర్ ఈజ్ ఎంటీ ద ట్యాంక్. దట్స్ వే 1 by 38 plus 1 by 19 minus 1 by 33. Okay, all together what? Then how much time it takes means, if you solve that equation, if you solve that one, take the LCM and you can solve it, then you get the answer right. Otherwise first రెండు ఫిల్ అయ్యాయి కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ రెండు పి అండ్ క్యూకి ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ వై బై మోడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై యూజ్ చేసి ఆ వచ్చిన వాల్యూతో ఆర్ని ఏం చేస్తాం అంటే ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ వై బై మోడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ వై అలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. దట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ విష్. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ రెండు ఫార్ములాస్ తో ఒక ఫిల్లింగ్ వస్తుంది, ఫిల్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎంటీ చేయాలి కదా, ఆర్లో ఎంటీ చేయొచ్చు. అలా చేసినా గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్, ఇలా చేసినా గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్. నౌ దిస్ ఇస్ ద లాస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టాపిక్. ట్రై టు ఆన్సర్ ఇట్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ చేయండి, దెన్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద అసైన్మెంట్ ఇస్తాను, ఆ అసైన్మెంట్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, try to answer this question. Last question of this topic. Try to answer it. A tap can fill a tub in 24 hours. Due to leak at the bottom of the tub, the tap fills the tub in 36 hours. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయడు, ఏ కెన్ ఫిల్ ద టబ్ ఇన్ 24 hours. ఒక ఏ అనుకుందాం, ఒక ట్యాబ్ అనుకుందాం, ఒక ట్యాప్ ని ఏ అనుకుందాం. ఏ కెన్ ఫిల్ ద ట్యాప్ ఇన్ 24 hours. ఒక ట్యాప్ అనేది 24 hours ఫిల్ చేస్తుంది. అనదర్ ట్యాప్ బి అనేది లీక్ చేస్తుంది. అందుకని ఏమవుతుంది, ఏ మైనస్ బి ఒక లీక్ అవడం వల్ల ఇట్ టేక్స్ ఏ మైనస్ బి ఇట్ టేక్స్ 36 hours. దెన్ ఒక ఎంటీ అనే ట్యాంక్, ఒక ఫుల్ ట్యాంక్ ని ఎంటీ చేయాలంటే ఇఫ్ దట్ ఈజ్ ఫుల్, హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ విల్ ద లీక్ ఉన్న ట్యాప్ ఉంటుంది కదా, లీక్ అవుతుంది కదా కింద, ఆ లీక్ వల్ల టేక్ టు ఎంటీ, ఎంత టైంలో ఎంటీ అవుతుంది ఆ ట్యాంక్, ఫుల్ అయ్యే ట్యాంక్ ఓన్లీ లీక్ అవడం వల్ల. చూడండి, ట్రై చేయండి. వెరీ గుడ్. చూడండి, ఏ క్యాన్ ఫిల్ ద ట్యాంక్ ఇన్ 24 hours, బి అనుకోండి. నేను ఏ అండ్ బి అని రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ గా తీసుకున్నాను, బట్ అలాగే తీసుకోపోయినా మీ ఇష్టం. దట్ ఈస్ దట్ ట్యాప్ అనేది ఫిల్ చేసి 24 hours, లీకేజ్ అవడం వల్ల 36 hours. అంటే ఏ మైనస్ బి అంటే ఒక ట్యాప్ ఫిల్ అవుతుంది, ఒక ఎంటీ అవుతుంది, రెండు పనిచేయడం వల్ల 36 hours. ఇప్పుడు మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి, ఓన్లీ బి కావాలి కాబట్టి అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, నేను ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ వై బై మోడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ వై అలా చేస్తే గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ యాజ్ ఏ 72 hours. ఓకే, then I will send the assignment questions right now. Try to answer. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can ask me right now. I will give 2 minutes of 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will place the assignment. I already placed the assignment yesterday itself. Once again, I will place that. Forward it that. Try to answer that questions. One second, I will, okay. Once again, I will forward this one. Okay. Forward చేశాను, ఒకసారి చూడండి, మీకు అది ఫార్వర్డ్ చేశాను. You get the assignment. Try to complete that assignment. Okay, don't waste the time. Okay, ఆ అసైన్మెంట్ మీకు కంప్లీట్ చేశానంటే కెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఈజీగా క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయాలి. అది యాక్చువల్గా ఈజీ కాకుండా కొద్దిగా మోడరేట్ లెవెల్ ఇచ్చాను. ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తే మీరు ఆల్రెడీ సాల్వ్ చేయగలరు అనుకుంటున్నాను. ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ వన్. కొద్దిగా మోడరేట్ గా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి సాల్వ్ చేస్తే ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ అయినా మీరు సాల్వ్ చేయగలరు. ఓకే, ట్రై టు సాల్వ్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ యూ హావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ మీ, అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ లీవ్. Try to solve it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, otherwise you can leave. Any doubts?